Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucy. Welcome to another video. If you're new, welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you get notified every single time your girl actually uploads a video. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey. In today's video, we're going to be doing a fall look, and I am super proud of myself, if I do say so myself, because this is the first fall look on this channel. Can I hear oh man? Can I hear woo-woo? So we're going to be doing a fall look for this video, and I'm going to be testing out one of the eye effects from Pixi that I actually unboxed in my last video. Here, if you haven't checked that video, it's already up. There's a suggestion here on, yeah, you can watch it after this video, so please don't go anywhere first. Let's finish the video, then you can binge watch all the other videos. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Pixi lip plumper. This is in the shade Sweet Nectar. I do use a lip plumper every single time before I apply lipstick, so I apply it on in the beginning of the video so that it actually works. So for brows today, I actually went in with the $1 Billion Brow, the micro blade effect pen. Now at first I really liked this pen because it did swatch really nicely. So it looks like the Benefit one. It has this little micro blading shape. I think what they were trying to do is try to mimic little hair brows, but with the situation I'm getting here it's just not the same, because I just want you to see that, like, the way it swatches, it's just not the perfect thing to do. Yeah, it's not creating any little hairs, it's just a bit of a chunky ink on the brows, but I did try and make it work. But that is something that I haven't loved, and I would not recommend to anyone. I haven't tried the Benefit one, which I would really love to try, and with that I will also review that one in the future. So yeah, so for this, not really. I think the only thing I have loved when it comes to brows is this Benefit brow cream gel. So I'm in the shade 6 and this is the darkest shade. Anyway, onto eyes. So first things first, we're going to do the eyes, and I'm just going to go in with my Kosas Revealer Cream Concealer. I'm going to go in and prime my lids. The reason as to why I prime my eyes with concealer is because I want the pigments to show up. I want the pigments to pop. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit up there, it's going to be everywhere. So I've been feeling a little bit weird this week, honestly. Today is like Thursday, so for the past few days I've been feeling like it's the weekend. I mean, we already had the weekend, and then it's like I extended it, and it feels so weird because I feel like so unmotivated, like I just wanted to chill and just relax. Like I even forgot the days. So every time I would wake up, I would be like, oh, is it Saturday? Is it Friday? I honestly don't know what's happening to me this week, but hopefully we can get off this phase of, like, say, amnesia or confusion. I don't know. Plus my body feels a bit weak. I feel like drained somehow, and I haven't been doing anything. I don't know. Anyway, now the eyes are primed. So this is the Pixi by Petra Rosette Rays. Now this is the palette that I'm going to be using today, and it has beautiful burgundy shades, like I said in my last video, and I can't wait to try this. Most of my brushes are dirty, and I have not had, I'm broke, guys, so I don't have the money to buy new brushes at this point, so I was just gonna work with whatever I have at this point. I do a lot of creative looks which kind of mess up my brush shades, and I have very few brushes, so I mean if I had washed them yesterday I wouldn't have been able to use them today. So for transition I'm just going to go in with this lighter shade here, and I'm just going to pop it on my crease just like that, and we're just going to set in the concealer with this on the crease area. Next shade in, I'm just going to go in with this brown shade at the corner, and I'm just going to go in to the corners of my eye, and I'm just going to drag this because I want like a cat eye fall look moment. So I'm just going to drag it onto my lash line, just half the lash line, I don't want a lot. Okay, so take that brush, blending brush again. Now we're going to blend this over the crease and outside just to create like a beautiful cat eye moment. Next thing, I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. So this is called Wine, if I'm not wrong. I hope that's the shade name. I'm just going to go over the crease area. So I'm just going to drag in that color all the way to my inner corner at the bridge of my nose. So we're just going to do a cut crease moment. I'm just still going to go in with the concealer that I used. I was saying how I feel weird this week, but I think I'm coming off it. I don't know. I honestly don't know what's happening. Like, it's just super weird that 2020 is almost over. Like, brands have started coming out with gift sets and I'm like, oh my god, like it's September. Like, can you just wait until October reaches, you know? Like, tell us, you know what, Christmas is here again. Like, a whole year has just gone by just like that. So with 2020 ending, I hope 2021 will be a good year and will be changed, you know, like everything will just go back to normal, because I can't wait for everything to go back to normal, because I want to work with so many brands, I want to work with so many other creatives out there, and I feel like we have been unable to connect during this period because of COVID. So I'm just going to go in with this brown shade again, and we're just going to go on the outer corners of my eye. And honestly guys, I can't believe I'm turning 26 this year. It's super weird. Like, my birthday is December, so I'm a Sagittarius, and okay, wow. So last year I didn't have a birthday at all because I was going through a lot. But then, you know, not many people actually thought I was going through anything, because like I say, we only show you guys what we want to show you. Sometimes I'm not vulnerable. I don't like people seeing me vulnerable, so I believe like, oh, I can deal with stuff by myself. And you know, sometimes I feel like that puts pressure on me. Like, I put pressure on myself basically. So but it's one of my weaknesses. Like, I don't let people see my vulnerable sides. But coming this year, like, I have had so much support from friends, so much support from you guys as well, on who DM me on Instagram, and it has sort of softened my heart, you know, like breaking down the walls a little bit. So I feel like I can share some things and, you know, not feel judged, because, you know, we don't judge here, because, you know, we're friends. And this year I have had so much support in terms of emotional support, mental support, financial support as well. It's just you guys are amazing, and I never get to tell you guys, like my friends, and also you guys would DM me and text me and, you know, send me sweet messages. I'm just going to go in with this shade first, then go in with this shimmer shade. I'm just going to go over the lid and blend it in with the brown shade. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade here. It's like a bronzy maroonish shade, and I'm just going to go over the shade that we just applied. That's going, oh, that's beautiful, that's gorgeous. So for mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Highest Lash Chronic Volume Mascara from Pacifica. So Pacifica Beauty, I think so. Now lashes done. I'm just going to pop this bright golden shade on the inner corners of my eye, just here. So first off, I'm going to go in with primer, and as you know, my favorite Becca primer. So this is the blurring and brightening primer. So I'm just going to apply this Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator by Revlon. Okay, well, nobody told me it was going to be like that. For foundation, I'll just be going in with the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So this is in shade 430. Now I did pick a darker shade. Is it warmer? Would I say warmer? No, I picked up like a really red shade for me, which is not. I should have gone with like a neutral shade, but you know, what do we do? What do we do? This was absolutely my favorite foundation. Apart from the YSL All Hour foundation, this is like my second best foundation, to be honest, because I just love the coverage as well. You know, one pump goes a long way, trust me. Like, I just did one pump and the whole face is almost done at this particular time. So for concealer, I'm just going to use two concealers. This is the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define. So this is in C14. It's pretty dark for me, and then I will go in with 7.5 from Kosas, which is light, and this will brighten up my under eyes just a bit. And I'm going to take in the Makeup Revolution one, and I picked this one up. I thought it would be the right shade, but it's like a bit too dark for me, so kind of try to use it as a contour, but it's pretty cool tone, but we can work with it. So yeah, so I'm just going to let that dry in. So for powder, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Face Studio setting powder. This is one of my favorite powders, as you know. I definitely use this a lot in the videos. I'm going to go in with this Kosas Baked Bronzer. So this is in the Warm Dark Bronzer. So it's deep, it's deepest, it's deep. So, and I'm just going to go over where I would normally contour, and I also do want to contour with the whole bronzer, and I'm just going to take a small brush like this and just tap that in and go in on the bridge of my nose on both sides. Snatch that nose. So my camera died and I just had to put on some clothes and also to put on some earrings. So for highlighter, I'm just going to go in with this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is in the shade Champagne Pop. Like, I don't even need to say it because you can see it's just wow. So for lips, I'm just going to go in with the Canvas Cosmetics lip shade in Savannah. So this is a Kenyan brand. It's also in the UK and also in Dubai. UAE or something, I don't know, but you know. So that's it for me, guys. I am obsessed with this Pixie palette, Rosette Ray. Haven't tried the other one, will try it. If you want me to try it on camera, just, you know, comment down below and I will definitely try it for you guys on here. And also, if there's anything you want me to try, or any look you want me to do for you, or any topic you want me to do comment down below. And for everything that I used on my face, the links will be on the description down below. Now, some links will be affiliate codes. That means I get a little commission from that, but you're not obligated to use them. But you know, if you use them, it actually helps the channel and as well. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and you know, turn on that notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you'll be the first to be notified. And with that said, I will see you on the next one. Bye.